In 2022, question paper 1, question number 4, there was an interesting question again. A very easy question. The question asks, Kipkoech and Tanui began a 5,000 meter race together at the starting line. So we have, so they are starting at this starting line. We have Kipkoech and Tanui, represented by their initials. Began a 5,000 meter race together at the starting line. Kipkoech and Tanui took 72 seconds and 80 seconds respectively to run a 400 meter lap. The two athletes were together again at the starting line after some time. Determine the number of laps that Tanui had to run to complete the race after they were together. This is an interesting question. And I want also to turn your attention to these questions. This was 2022. One teacher was telling me that students nowadays are failing exams because examiners are not giving direct questions. Like the one we saw about look for prime factors. Sorry. I'm recording this at night. It is 8:42. But we have to keep pushing. And it is also the resilience that students and candidates this year should have. Keep pushing. We are doing this for you. We want to make sure that you have enough resources to revise. And even on your end, please do the same. Keep pushing. Against all odds, move against the tides. Wakati wengine maybe wanapumzika, wewe soma. So, I was telling you about examiners nowadays are preferring to present questions in a form of a story for you to read and understand, comprehend. They want to test whether you can be able to extract information from a statement, form a mathematical equation, and find the answer. Because we are given that these two are running a 400 track. So around here is perimeter is 400 meters. And at the end of it all, they are required to, the race is 5,000 meters. Now, they were together here. Kipkoech and Tanui, they were together here. So, we are told that one runs at 72 seconds. Kipkoech uses 72 seconds, while Tanui uses 80 seconds to run around. So, clearly, when Kipkoech is through with the first lap, obviously hawako pamoja na Tanui. They are not at the same spot because this one is has used less time. When he is here, the other person is around here because kitambo afike hapa at 80 seconds inamaanisha ako nyuma. At some point, they get together at the, is it at the starting point? The two athletes were together again at the starting line after some time. So determine the number of laps that Tanui had to run to complete the race. So if they are together at the starting line, not anywhere else, they can be together somewhere else, but at the starting line, that means we need to look for the some time that is greater than these two. So it's a multiple of these two. So what does that one tell you? The least common multiple. So you are going to look at the LCM of 72 and 80. The LCM of 72 and 80, you start with 2, we have 36, 40, 2, 18, 20, 2, 9, 10, 2, 9, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 5. So the LCM, what does the LCM mean in this case? LCM is 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16. Sorry, we can start this side to make it easier, but you have your calculators. 5 times 3 is 15, times 3 is 45, times 2, 90, times 2, 180, times 2, 360, times 2, 720. What does the LCM mean here? It is the seconds they will take to meet again at the starting point. So to get this time in minutes, you divide by 60. And then you'll get 720 divided by 60. This is 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, the two will be together again at the starting point. After 12 minutes. But the question is not yet done. It asks, so determine the number of laps that Tanui had to run to complete the race after they were together. Okay? So, one lap is 400 meters. You need to understand, in these 12 minutes, Tanui, the one we are interested in, amezunguka uwanja mara ngapi? So how many laps has Tanui taken in 120 minutes or in 12 minutes or 720 seconds? So Tanui is this one. We can say he is taking one lap in 80 seconds. Therefore, Tanui, one lap is 80 seconds. But he has already covered, before the meet, he has already covered, let's use seconds. We have 720 seconds. But how many laps are here? Those who are good in this, when you ask for such a thing, you're supposed to cross multiply. And you have 1 times 720 over 80 by 8. Let's do by 2, 4, by 2, 36, by 4, 1, by 4, 9. Yes, 9. So he has gone for 9 laps. So we need to find how many more laps he is needed to cover. One lap, we know the race that he's going is 5,000 meters. And one lap is 400 meters. So, distance covered already, distance covered in these 12 minutes is 9 laps times 400 meters. This is 3,600 meters. So he has already gone for 3,600 meters and he is required to go for 5,000. So remaining is 5,000 minus 3,600. This is 14 meters, right? So he is remaining 1400 meters. Now, and one lap is 400. So how many more laps is he expected to go? Remaining laps. A distance in terms of laps is 1400 divided by 400. You have 7 over 2. 14 to 7. So we have 7 over 2 laps. which is 3.5 laps remaining. So when you ask that question, the trick here is that you are supposed to read the question and interpret. You read the question, interpret what the examiner wants you to answer, and then after understanding, then you do the question from that understanding. When you go to the page that I've posted these questions, potentacademy.com, in Form 1, Mathematics, the first topic, integers. Down there you have a link to similar practice questions. And I've just opened them. I have put 5 questions, but I'm going to add more. Although I have not provided the answer there, they are pretty similar to what we have already covered in this area. And if you have a problem, you can just comment down, or you reach out to me through my WhatsApp number that is already provided there in my website. And I'm going to provide the answer for the same. Thank you, and I wish you all the best as you prepare for your exams, and also for this year's candidates 2024. What else? What else do you need from us apart from our continued support, our prayers, and providing these free resources, step-by-step solutions? Yes. So all the best as you prepare for your exams. Thank you.